This mathcast's intended audience is 4th grade. The content or learning objective is to create conversational tables for length, weight, and capacity units using measuring tools and the use of the tables to solve problems, created by Chelsea Greenwood. Our first vocabulary word is ounce or ounces, which is a customary unit of weight equal to 1/16 of a pound. Our next vocabulary word is pound or pounds, which is a customary unit of weight equal to 16 ounces. Our first example is Evan put a 2-pound weight on one side of the scale. How many 1-ounce weights will be needed to put on the opposite side of the scale to make them equal? Now, to find what 2 pounds is in ounces, we first must find what 1 pound equals, and 1 pound equals 16 ounces. Therefore, 2 pounds will equal 32 ounces. 32 weights will need to be placed on the scale. Example 2. Mrs. Upton's baby weighs 5 pounds and 4 ounces. How many total ounces does the baby weigh? Since we know that 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces, each unit is equal to 16 ounces. And because there are 5 units, we will multiply 16 by 5, which equals 80 ounces. Therefore, 5 pounds and 4 ounces is equal to 84 ounces. So, the baby weighs 84 ounces. Example 3. Complete the following conversation tables and write the rule under each table. To turn pounds into ounces, we must multiply the pound by 16. Therefore, 1 pound equals 16 ounces. 3 times 16 is 48. Therefore, 3 pounds equals 48 ounces. 7 times 16 is 112. Therefore, 7 pounds equals 112 ounces. 10 times 16 is 160. Therefore, 10 pounds equals 160 ounces. 17 times 16 is 272. Therefore, 17 pounds equals 272 ounces. Therefore, the rule for converting pounds to ounces is to multiply pounds by 16. Thanks for watching. This mathcast resources were Engage New York website and Google Pictures, and this mathcast was created by Chelsea Greenwood.